Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on the topic of trigonometry. And we have completed our sixth video, and this is five video, and this is our sixth video on this topic of trigonometry. And as I told you before, that we are following this format where first we will talk and first we will solve all the exercise. So if someone is in very hurry and they just want solution of this exercise, so first we will cover them, and after that we will discuss about every formula, every concept of the trigonometry to understand you better, and that will help you in a further studies. Okay, so we will talk about that later after solving all the exercise, right? So now we have already completed our exercise 3.1, 3.2, and in this video of today's video we are going to solve the all the question of not all question, few question of exercise 3.3. Okay, so let's start. And the first question is that prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so let me just write this. First of all, we all know what is the value of sine, cos, tan, sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. If you don't know, just let me tell you quickly. uh, we will skip the 0 degree because we don't need as of now. So this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree, 60 degree, and we also don't need 90 degree. Okay, this is sine, this is and cos, and this is tan, this is cos. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 2, root 3 by 2. Okay, and this will be root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and 1 by 2. This will be 2 to cancel, then it will be 1 by root 3, and root 2 cancel 1, 2 to cancel root 3, right? So we know sine, it's given sine square pi by 6. So we know pi equal to 180 degree, right? So 180 degree by 6, 6 3 is a 18, so it will be 30 degree. So it means sine square 30 degree, right? Let me just clear this. Okay, so the second one, cos square pi by 3. Okay, so plus cos square pi by 3. So pi is 180 degree by 3. So 3 6 is 18. So this is a 60 degree. Okay, now minus tan square pi by 4. So pi is 180 degree by 4. So it will be 45 degree, right? So tan square 45 degree. So when we will put the all values, it should be equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Okay, so second concept, sine square theta, sine square theta, if we find what is the value of sine 30 degree, so this is sine 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 ka whole square, right? Plus cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ka whole square, minus tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1 ka whole square, right? Now 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, plus 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, minus 1. So it will be 4, 1 plus 1, sorry, it will be minus 1 plus 1 minus 4, that is 2 minus, that is minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So hence proved. Now we have another questions like this, and there is only one trick. You will find something like that that will be not easy to convert in degree. So I will just tell you how to solve this question, and after that you can do it with your own. So let's see. In this question we have given 2 sine square pi by 6. So 2 into sine pi by 6 means 6 3 is 80, 30 degree. So what is the value of sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2 ka whole square plus cosec square 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi, it means 180 by 6. So it will be 0.655. No, it will be difficult. So 6 3 ja, and now we have 7 3 ja 21 0. So this is 210 degree, right? So we can write it like 210 degree. We have cosec 210 degree. So we can write this like cosec 180 degree plus 30 degree. We can write it like 180 degree plus 30 degree, and the value of cosec 180 degree plus 30 degree is because when we will draw this is 180 degree, right? So cosec will come in the third quadrant, and when we are comparing with the x-axis, then it will be not change, and here sine and cos is positive, here tan and cot is positive, and here cosec and sec is positive. So we have 210 degree, right? So 90, if we'll do with 90, okay, so it will be minus whatever the value of cosec 30 degree. I don't think there is any other way to do it. 90 to 10 180 plus, yeah. So the value of cosec 30 degree, so what is the value of sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree 1 by 2, then it will be 2, because cosec is 1 by sine, and it will be 1 by 2, and it will be 1 into 2 by 1, that is 2, right? So it will be in minus 2 ka whole square, because we have cosec square 7 pi by 6, now into cos square pi by 3. So cos pi by 3, it means it is 60 degree. So what is the value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2 ka whole square. So let's see, 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus minus, sorry, plus 2 2 is a 4, and then into 1 by 4, 4 4 cancel 2. So we have to prove it's a 3 by 2. Let's see, now we have 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 by 2, right? So this is also proved. So in this question, similarly, you have to find what is the value of cot, and pi by 6 means 30 degree. So whatever the value will be there, you will do the whole square. Here we will do 5 into 180 degree by 6, 6 3 ja equal to 5 150 degree, right? So I hope you will uh, I hope you understand the concept, and you will solve this question number 3 4 with your own. And to solve this, you only need to understand that if this is the quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So when we see any angle theta with respect to x-axis, right? So suppose this is sine 30 degree, then it will be sine 30 degree only. Okay, when we see any angle with respect of this y axis, suppose this is sorry, suppose this angle is uh, 50 degree, right? So we will write it like uh, we will write this, suppose this is sine 50 degree, then we will write sine 90 degree plus 50 degree. Okay, and this will be convert into sine uh, this will be convert in cos 50 degree. Okay, so when we are when we have any angle with respect of x-axis, then it will be not change, it will be remain the same. Okay, first thing. Second thing, let me just clear everything from here. Let me just clear everything. So if we, I have already explained this concept in my previous video, you can also watch that. So this is the quadrant, first, second, third, and this is the, sorry, fourth. So here in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Here sine and cosec are positive. Here cot and tan is positive. Here sec and cosec is positive, right? So you have to understand these two concepts, and lastly you have to understand, because we are doing something like sine square something. So if you have sine square theta, it means you have to find what is the value of sine theta. Suppose this is 1 by 2, and you can do the whole square of that. Okay, suppose you have given sine square 30 degree, and for example sine 30 degree is, what is the value, I don't remember. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, right? So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, and you have the whole square of that, then you will do the whole square. So this is only you need to understand, and you have to also understand that pi equal to 1 by 80 degree. Pi radian equal to 1 by 80 degree. So if you understand these four concepts, you will easily solve this. And if you don't understand these concepts, then I will suggest you to go on the previous videos, that is everything is grouped on the playlist, and just see how to do that, and you will definitely you will be able to solve this question, right? So now we have question number 5, that is totally different. So it's saying find the value of sine 75 degree. So you know, here we have, we know what is the value of sine 30 degree, 45 degree, and we also know what is the value of 0 degree and 90 degree. We have not written that because we don't need that, you see. So now we have sine 75 degree, and you will not find anywhere the value of sine 75 degree, 80 degree, or 95 degree. So what you can do, you can write sine 75 degree, like sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, and if when you have sine a plus b, so the formula of sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. You have to remember this. Okay, this is very important. So now we will put all the values here. Sine, not here, from here, sine a means 45 degree, into cos B, that is 30 degree, plus cos A, that is 45 degree, into sin B, that is sin 30 degree. Right? Now see, what is the value of sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, plus cos 45 degree, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Right? So 1 into root 3 equal to root 3 by 2 root 2, plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now when we will take the LCM, then we will get 2 root 2 root 3 plus 1. Okay, so uh, now what we can do, yeah, so this would be the answer. The value of the value of sine 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Let's check. 3 by 3. So yeah, you see here, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the correct answer. And now the question number 5, the question number second of question number 5 is tan 15 degree. You can write tan 15 degree. Let me just clear this. If you want, you can just take a screenshot of that, because I'm going to clear this. And now I have to write the formula of 10, so you can do it with your own. So this is your homework. You have to try this with your uh, always I give you something, I left something for you, so you can also try with your own, and this way you can enhance your capacity and capability to solve the problem. So here we have 10 15 degree. We can also write it like 10 45 degree. We are writing 45 degree and 30 degree because we know what is the value of sine 10 45 degree and 30 degree. Now so this is in the form of 10 a minus b, right? So the formula for 10 a minus b is 10 a minus 10 b by 1 plus 10 a into 10 b. So now you have to just put the all values of this and you will get the answer. Okay, so next we have prove the following, and in next video we will solve this and we will prove the followings. I have not written this because I don't want to make this video very lengthy. So thank you so much, and that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.